Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vanilla eclairs. We will cover each step, from preparing the light chew pastry to crafting the smooth vanilla cream filling. Finally, we will add a beautiful chocolate glaze. This guide makes about 12 to 15 eclairs, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Get ready to create a truly impressive dessert with straightforward instructions and fantastic results. To begin our eclairs, we first create the chew pastry. In a saucepan, combine water, butter, a pinch of sugar, and salt, bringing it to a boil. Remove from heat, quickly stir in 1 cup of flour, then return to the stove to cook for about 2 minutes, drying out the dough. Transfer to a bowl and beat in 4 large eggs, one by one, until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Pipe this dough into elegant 3-inch strips onto a baking sheet. Next, let's prepare the luscious vanilla pastry cream. In a bowl, whisk together 4 egg yolks, half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt until pale. Gently heat 2 cups of milk with a vanilla bean or 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until simmering. Slowly temper the hot milk into the egg mixture, then return it all to the saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the cream thickens. Chill this delightful cream for at least 2 hours before filling your cooled chew shells. Now for the exciting final steps. Assembly and glazing. Once your chew shells are completely cool and the pastry cream is thoroughly chilled, pipe the creamy vanilla filling into each eclair shell. For the glaze, melt 4 ounces of your favorite chocolate with 2 tablespoons of butter until smooth. Dip the top of each filled eclair into the warm chocolate glaze, allowing any excess to drip off. Let the glaze set for a few minutes before serving these absolutely delightful homemade vanilla eclairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.